Good evening, guys. I'm just gonna apologize first. My name is Sanele. I'm sorry for coming late. I just got here now at 7:30. And as I walked in, I was told that I have to pitch my business because it's actually a different business to everyone who's here today. What I'm actually doing currently, I'm a founder of THUD Pty Limited. We're trading as via Nati project. And what we're currently doing, it's a landscaping business. We are based in Palito. Our focus is, we actually focus more on, our target. We're targeting the estates in Palito. There's a lot of estates, and we saw a loophole because of the big companies like, if you know, Service is one of the big companies doing landscaping. We saw, because there's a need. The whole place in Palito, along the coast, you get only few companies doing the gardening, landscaping. So we saw a need, and then we just started doing the business. We went and approached one of the estates in Palito. What I did was, I got one guy who's actually studied for the job. I hired the guy. We got staff. We got about 20 guys working. We ran one of the estates. I started with one estate. Now I got 5 contracts around Palito. What we do, we just service the gardening services. We started doing high pressure cleaning as well, because every time we are around the estates, there's new jobs and opportunities coming. And then we started cutting big trees now. We get hired to just cut, if they need us to cut anything, we just go around and then start cutting. We just started recently, we're now doing pools. I got no experience in pools, but we just have to hire someone who's got experience. And then that's how you make money. I'm not sure, maybe in the next couple of years, we might be even going in Zimbabwe. Because every time we always target, every time Service loses a contract, we're after them. Because they run for the big contract and then we go for the small ones. That's how we make our money. Thank you, guys.